Right, okay, 2 seconds. So, hang on. So I'm with Ada. So I got a little
Another
dog.
dog.
Yeah, and she's my most precious thing because she's really good company and she's always pleased to see me and she never gives me a hard time. But she's really naughty. So this morning when I let her out, she escaped into next door's garden. See, she's fighting with me now. She escaped into next door's garden and I had to go and chase her. Always up to something, but yeah, she's my precious thing in the house.
On the spot.
Andy's done it. He's cracked it.
Wow.
Oh, I mentioned a Rubik's Cube earlier. There you go.
Okay, so that's my most valuable possession because there's a really funny story behind that. When I was 8, I asked my mum for a Rubik's Cube for my birthday. On my 9th birthday, I got a Rubik's Cube. So I really wanted to solve like one for the first time since, well, they were really like big things back then. And so I put it behind my back and I shuffled it up. But then I shuffled it up so much that 8 years later, at 17, only then we managed to solve it. And right now I will never jumble up a Rubik's Cube again, especially not behind my back.
I remember last time I had a Rubik's Cube and I really couldn't do it, so I literally peeled off the stickers and stuck them back on because it was impossible. I just didn't know.
Okay, I'm gonna pick random. That guitar looks interesting. What about you, Shan?
Thank you for saying my guitar looks really interesting. So, this is a very valuable thing for me, like, because not the actual guitar itself, but the concept of guitar. You know, when I was like before lockdown, I used to play in a lot of concerts and especially music festivals like the Towville Festival. I used to rap. I used to play the guitar for a lot of songs. As a school, we formed a Welsh bilingual band, and I played in the Christmas Carol concert outside the band as well. So I've played the guitar quite a lot, actually, in front of a large group of audiences, etc., in big events. But then after coronavirus came, I'm just here playing on my own with no one to watch. So that's why it's meaningful to me. Music is a great distraction away from the dark horrors of lockdown.
Give us a
Ishan, give us a song. Ishan, give us a song.
Go on.
Yes, go on.
How do I?
have a suggestion. I don't know if you know how to play it, but you did say in one of the games that we played your favorite song, Despacito. So if
Okay.
you play
I
that.
knew you were gonna say
That's
something
your
like
favourite
that.
song?
I can't sing it, but like I can play
I've
it.
just learned a lot about you.
I can play it. I'm not
Yeah,
in the
have
most.
memory.
Do you actually want me to play it?
Yeah.
Yeah, go
Okay.
for it.
Yeah, I was gonna say I'm not in the most comfortable position, so don't judge. Can you play the guitar?
Oh, very nicely.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
That's fine. I've never played in front of people before. You made me do
Online.
this. Yeah. Did you hear that? Because I'm not in the most
Loud and
comfortable.
clear.
That was amazing. Yeah.
Thank you, but
Very
I'm not in
good.
the most comfortable position because my table is like there, and my chair handle
Got
is
a big
like.
spiky chair.
That is
Yeah.
amazing.
The end part was really nice.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah.
Very talented. Very.
Right. I've kind of got 3 valuable things. I've managed to whittle it down to this because I cherish literally everything and I cling on to it, and I value everything, even the pen next to me. So I've whittled it down to my 3 top things. My car, Roxy. I can't really show you her because she doesn't fit in my bedroom, but I absolutely adore her. You know, wash her like every week. You know, Hoover, cleaner, you name it. She is my baby. Also, my cat Pickle, who I can't really pick up, because she's quite nifty with her claws, if that makes sense. And she would rip me to shreds. So one thing I have brought is this, and it's an award for best goal. And it was a truly awful goal for the opposition to concede. Actually, it wasn't a good goal at all. But I think they just gave me the award. We'd been playing football at that stage for around 12 hours straight, and we were going for 169 during the week, non-stop, to break a world record. We were about 12 hours in, and I'd been trying, and I think I was one of the only players who hadn't actually scored a goal yet. So I think they just gave me the award for the way I tried, which is the story of my life, really. But you know, I'm pleased with it, and it's a great memory of a week where I volunteered to put myself through hell, and I really enjoyed it.
Okay. So I don't really like to cherish things because I don't know, I just keep losing things. But I feel like a pen, I feel like that is really significant to me because I feel like one pen can change anything. It might sound cringy or whatever, but like it really does make a difference if you think about it, and it can change people's lives and even your life. So yeah, I just think that's very like precious to me.
I have my dog because I couldn't find anything else.
Aww.
And I kept having to turn my camera off because she kept on it's like running away. Because she can see a cat out my window. Oh my god, she caught a squirrel the other day as well.
Oh my word, she's very cute, Ava. She's lovely. How old is she?
She is 2.
2. Still really a puppy then.
Yeah. And so I'll choose Lewis.
Right, I am here. Sorry. I've had this since 2011. I stopped using it when I first got my first phone in 2016, but it's an iPod Touch from 2010.
Ooh.
I'll see if I can unblur my background just 1 second.
That's a blast from the past.
But yeah, I found it in my sock drawer when I moved house about 2 years ago, and I thought, I tell you what, it would be a load of fun if I could find the charger for it, and it still works.
Oh wow!
So I put loads of tunes on there, and I used it up till Christmas because I got a new one after that then. But yeah, this has been from 2011, so it's nearly 10 years old.
Wow. That probably has so much memories and just.
Oh, it does. I took this absolutely everywhere with me. Everywhere I went, I'd always have it with me. I put all the games on there. But to prove how old it is, I got a new Apple device that's running the new Apple system. This is running, so that's iOS 14. This runs iOS 6.
Oh!
And doesn't go higher.
Oh my days.
So I've still got all the really old icons on there, and it's amazing. I absolutely love this thing, and I'm really happy it still works.
I mean, my wireless headphones, because I use them for literally everything.
Good choice.
It's a good one.
Yeah, okay, so I cling on to everything. I'm known for that in the family. So I actually couldn't make a decision because I'm very indecisive. I've got 3 things. The first one is my phone, not actually I only have like the specific things in my phone, and my photos from my family that we went on holiday with. Obviously I can't like show you the holiday, so it's my phone because of the photos and then just the memories that I have. It was like my favorite holiday. Even in 2020, we went to Turkey on 2020, and it was like the best thing that I've ever experienced. So yeah, it wasn't a bad year for me. The second one is this really old, kind of ripped, broken envelope, and these are like all my reports I've ever got, and I do like save them all. And this is literally just the memory of like I just can see my progress throughout the years and see how like I have like all my test results, everything that I've ever got in that folder, and it's really like everything's just a memory. It's just very important. It just holds like a really important place inside. And the third most important thing to me is my planner. It's not this specific one because I have many, but it's just to be able to like plan out everything, as I'm very organized and like I love to plan everything out. So yeah, I feel like planners are very important to me.